So hello, this is Ip, and I'm going to present introductory video about Olivier Messiaen, the composer, and his music, because Simone and we are going to attend a concert performed by Pierre-Laurent Aimard, absolute master, and he's going to play the Catalogue d'Oiseaux, the catalogue of bird songs. It consists of seven books like this. You see, this is the cover artwork. It's nicely done. Can you see it? And it's filled with wonderful and enormous music. What Olivier Messiaen does is, in the beginning, he dedicates a piece to a star, a bird who is the star, and then he writes all these indications. So which bird we are listening to. So it begins here. This is la bouse variable, the buzzard, and so first we hear the sound of the buzzard, which looks like that. Can you see? Yeah, there. And then here, for instance, it says now the buzzard is circling around. And what Messiaen does is he's basically painting pictures and writing music about actually turning bird songs into a musical language. I'll give you an example of how Messiaen writes his music. In the beginning, the first piece of the Catalogue d'Oiseaux is dedicated to the Chocard des Alpes. In German, it's Alpendole. This is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. So, Messiaen starts by painting an image, a picture of where this bird can be found, which is the cliffs of the Alps with huge rock formations, pretty bare of vegetation. So you hear the solid rocks. And then we hear the bird, the star, the Chocard des Alpes, singing his song. And after that, we watch in the distance an eagle soar. And then we hear a crow. And I leave you then. So this is just to give you an imagination, to give you an idea what's going on. If you close your eyes and you don't have the indications, like when you read the music, you have all the indications what you're listening to. But if you don't, you have to use your imagination. You close your eyes and now this must be a bird song. This must be imagery, colors. This can be weather. This can be landscape. This can be the sound, the noise of wind, things like that. And if you close your eyes and you let your mind wander, then you'll see in your mind's eye everything that Messiaen describes with music. So this is actually a journey into the world of birds and into the world of the creation and the importance of appreciating that creation and maybe the most magical creatures within this creation is the birds. And I hope this video was not for the birds.